Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you my groceries. Let's get started. Parsley flakes, sweet and salty bars that I take to work and just a snack. There's 18 bars and it is a huge pack, but there is a smaller one in pack of 5. Eggs, 12. Feta cheese, bread, cheese, chicken breast, avocados, mandarins, tonic water, milk, white kidney beans, and pineapples. All that cost me 81.68. I'm going to make my dinner and in advance. I'm sorry for all Italians, but I did love my pasta. That is the reality. So I'm gonna cook pasta in a way that I cook because I'm hungry and I have too many things today to do. Just boil it and then mix it with curry chicken that I did yesterday. That is my freezer. I want to show you something that I do. What I do when I need a lot of ice, I just freeze the water and then I storage it in a zip bag. So whenever I need, especially I do it before some home parties or celebration or when it's summer, when you use a lot of ice. Because then it's very comfortable just to take as many as you want and put it in your drink.